Smile, pretty girl. Look at me. Smile. Lily, did you do something bad? Did you do something bad? Show me what you did. See your hair. Look in the mirror. Oh, that's what we did. Look in the mirror. Thank you. Hold on, let me look at it. Oh, that's just a shame, little Lily. You got your sucker stuck in your hair. Is that funny? You think that's funny? Do you think it's funny? Look in the mirror. Hi, Lily. I love you. Say, I'm sorry. Look at me. Say, I'm sorry, Mommy.
Mama.
I love you.